In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new listing on Facebook Marketplace using Google for initial navigation. Whether you're looking to sell your unused items or just exploring the wonders of online marketplaces, these steps will guide you seamlessly. First, to get started, we're going to use Google. Simply head over to Google and type in Facebook Marketplace in the search bar. This search makes it incredibly easy to find a direct link to Facebook Marketplace without needing to navigate through Facebook itself. Once you find the search result, click on it to visit the Facebook Marketplace page. Once on the Marketplace, look for and click on the option that says Create New Listing. This will open up a new section dedicated to helping you put your item up for sale. Make sure you're in a comfortable setting where you have access to all the necessary details and photos of the item you wish to list. After opening the new listing page, select Item for Sale. This choice is perfect for those who are selling physical items that they want to pass on to a new owner. After choosing this option, the next step is to add photos. Click on Add Photos to upload pictures of the item from your device. Remember, good quality images play a significant role in attracting potential buyers. So take clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles to give viewers a comprehensive view of the item. Next, it's time to type in the highlights of your item. Begin by entering the key attributes that make your item special. This could include features like brand, condition, size, or any unique characteristics that potential buyers should know about. Though it might seem repetitive, ensure you're providing clear, descriptive highlights to enhance the listing's appeal. Once you've pinned down these highlights, you may want to categorize your item correctly. Click on Miscellaneous if your item doesn't fit into a specific category. Correct categorization helps your item appear in the right search results, which is crucial for visibility. Moving forward, indicate the item's condition. If it's brand new, choose New to ensure that potential buyers know exactly what to expect. This helps build trust among buyers and can potentially increase the chances of a successful sale. Following these steps, click on Next to review your listing. Here you have a final chance to spot any errors or missing information. Take your time to carefully read through the listing details you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, when you're satisfied with the listing, hit Publish. And just like that, your item is now live on Facebook Marketplace for the world to see. Congratulations on creating your new listing. Be sure to monitor feedback and inquiries regularly to engage with prospective buyers effectively. Happy selling!